Hi, welcome back. This video is going to be on list of all departments with average salary that is greater than overall company average salary. We have a table with employee name, department and their individual salaries. So we need to display a list of departments that is having the average salary greater than the overall average salary. So first step, we will just display or we'll just calculate overall average of all the salaries of all the employees. For example, we can use this average function avg of salary column will be totaled, and then average will be calculated from employees. So 68,833 is the average salary. 69,833 is the average salary. Altogether. Now we need to group all the employees using departments and find their average salary of departments. So for that, select department comma average of salary from employees group by department. So what this query will do is, this will actually groups the employees by department. So we are calculating average salary of departments. So for example, if you take HR, we have 3 HR values. The average of 3 HR salaries alone will be calculated. Likewise, the average of, if you take engineering, average of engineering salaries will alone be calculated and printed together. So by this way, we will calculate the average of departments. See, engineering, the average is 88,000 and HR is 52, marketing 60 and sales is 72. Now I need to display only the department and its salary which is greater than the average of total employee salary. So we will just add a simple having class, having average of salary greater than, we have a subquery here, select average of salary from employees. Now this subquery will calculate the overall average salary of the employees, and with that value we are filtering the department's average salary that is greater than overall average salary. So let us see, by running this query, only the department's average salary should be greater than this 69,833 should be printed. See, so 88 and 72 is alone printed. Previously we had all the departments printed. We will just run this query and see the difference. Run selection. See, so you have 88 and 72 alone, which is greater than this 69. 60 and 52 will be less than 69. So only engineering and sales should be printed. We have the list of departments with average salary that is greater than overall company average salary.